Welcome back to Unit 1, using objects and methods, making up 15 to 25% of the exam. And in this video, we're going to be covering topic 1.7, Application Program Interface and Libraries. Libraries are collections of classes. An application programming interface specification informs the programmer how to use those classes. Documentation found in API specifications and libraries is essential to understanding the attributes and behaviors of a class defined by the API. A class defines a specific reference type. Classes in the APIs and libraries are grouped into packages. Existing classes and class libraries can be utilized to create objects. Now that was a lot of information, so I'm going to break it down in an analogy for you. Think of a library as a physical library. This library is full of rows of bookshelves, each called a package. In each of these bookshelves, there are books. Each book is a class, and inside each class, there are methods. These methods are essentially pre-written pieces of code that you can use in your own. There's a very sweet old woman at the front who tells you how to use each book and its methods. This is called the API, and without this woman, you would have no idea how to read any of the books. These classes can be used to create your own objects in your code with its own special reference type. So instead of a string object, we could use a class to create a car or house object. Attributes refer to the data related to the class and are stored in variables. Behaviors refer to what instances of the class can do or what can be done with them and are defined by methods. For this, let's think of a car object that was created using a class. First, we have to determine what attributes or characteristics this car should have. Let's say we want our car object to have 4 attributes: color, make, model, and year. We are going to store each of these attributes in their own variable. We could use string variables for the first 3, initializing each to say that our car object is a red Mazda Miata. Then we could use an int variable for the year, saying it came out in 2025. Secondly, we have to determine the object's behaviors, or basically what the car can do. Let's say we want our car to be able to drive forward, drive backward, stop, and blink, since it is a Miata after all. These behaviors are defined by methods, and we would have a method for each. More on object and method creation in topics 1.9 and 1.12. And that brings topic 1.7 to a close.